Misan Morrison here, wishing you a very prosperous new year. Wouldn't it be nice to start the year off with a promo that puts big money in your pocket and gives your subscribers something that will truly help them start off 2022 with everything they need to make some serious profits? The good news is, we've got something lined up that you and your subscribers are going to love. Please join us on the launch of Redeemly. Redeemly leverages advanced AI technology to create cardless loyalty programs for businesses to reactivate dormant customers and increase sales to existing customers automatically. This is a great way to help struggling businesses make a comeback from the recent pandemic. Redeemly users don't need any technical experience to set up a new cardless loyalty program because the app does all the hard work with just a few clicks. Plus, we'll show Redeemly users exactly how to land clients with no hard selling required. This service is huge because local businesses really understand the concept. Redeemly has built-in tracking that shows businesses that it's actually working. So once this is activated, businesses will gladly continue to pay for management of their cardless loyalty program month after month. That's why this is the perfect way to create a monthly recurring income stream in 2022 and beyond. And your subscribers will love this because it only takes a few minutes, it's simple, and this can quickly be scaled up to a six-figure business. In addition to the Redeemly web-based app, your subscribers also get access to done-for-you loyalty campaigns and step-by-step training that reveals exactly how to start landing clients with no sales experience required. This is a real six-figure business opportunity like nothing you've ever seen before. And your subscribers are going to get excited when you mail for this because it's simple, it's proven, and they'll be able to jump right into the action and start making money quickly. In addition to a powerful front-end product that your subscribers can use to make a lot of money without a lot of hard work needed, Redeemly is something that your subscribers can get life-changing results with quickly, and it has the power to make them a lot of money without any prior skills needed. There's nothing like this currently available on the market. If you like the idea of giving your subscribers something new and exciting, then we'll help them make some serious cash in 2022 and beyond. You'll want to mark your calendar right now for the Redeemly launch. We appreciate your support, and if you need help with anything, just reach out to us directly. See you on the Redeemly leaderboard.